Where is my bag and my pencil box?
It's in your room, Mansi.
And where is my uniform?
In your almirah.
What about my tie?
It's on the table, Mansi. Mansi, I think you should eat almonds and drink lemon water daily.
But why?
Because drinking lemon water sharpens your brain function. It means it increases your memory power. Apart from your brain, it also helps to improve your digestion. It boosts up your energy level. It strengthens your immune system. It prevents from cough and cold. Moreover, we should drink lemon water empty stomach, because it boosts the metabolism, relieves constipation, and it performs the same function, but here the effect is more when you drink it empty stomach. Oh Mansi, I think it's my time for the class. Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about the short answer type questions of safety and first aid. You all have understood the chapter. 3 modules have gone to make you understand the chapter. Now we are going to discuss the short answer type question. Question 1 is, what should we do when there is a road accident and the victim is lying on road in the pool of blood? In such a situation, we should call a doctor or take the patient to the hospital immediately. If we can provide any sort of first aid, then we should try to provide first aid to the patient. Otherwise, we should rush the patient to the hospital or to the doctor. What are the causes of fire accidents? Fire accidents occur due to the following reasons: handling of firecrackers, matchsticks, kerosene stoves, etc. carelessly. So whenever we are handling anything which burns, which can burn, which can catch fire, we should be very careful. By electric short circuits or other faults, by gas leakage from LPG cylinders in homes or in factories. What is first aid? What first aid should be given in case of fracture? First aid is the medical help given to an injured person before the doctor arrives. In case of fracture, make the victim lie down. Tie a piece of cardboard with a piece of cloth around the fractured hand. It can be hand, it can be leg, or whatever organ, whichever part is fractured. There we have to give support with the help of cardboard and cloth. It gives support and restricts the movement of the fractured bone. So if the person is having severe pain, there is swelling in the fractured part, we should prevent the movement of that body part and give it support with cardboard and cloth and immediately rush to the doctor. Write 2 steps of first aid that you will take if your friend starts bleeding his or her nose. In case of nose bleeding, we should make the person sit upright, सीधे बैठना चाहिए या बैठाना चाहिए, and we should keep his or her head held at the back on backrest of the chair. मतलब कि जो victim है, जो patient है, उसका सर chair पे पीछे की side करके बैठाना चाहिए. We can even apply cold water on the head, because it is said that because of excessive heat, nose bleeding starts. Otherwise, these 2 things we should do first. So, students, I hope you have understood how you have to write these question and answers in your science copies, and you will be able to write them and send the DWT to your science teachers on the respective mail IDs. Thank you and take care of yourself.